Hello, you want high quality audio recording, but you don't want to spend $200 for it. I completely understand you. That's why there are microphone capsules like the Primo EM258, which have a stellar reputation for ultra-low noise and excellent recording performance. I use these custom DIY Lavalier microphone builds for playing with kinetic sound recordings and for a binaural head project. To do this, like always, ask your grandmother for permission and also ask her for a soldering iron tool set. Next, you will need some kind of stereo plug. Choose whichever type you like best. The link is in the video description. You also need an audio cable with at least 2 wires inside, which you can salvage from old headphones. You will need 1 cable for each microphone you make. Now tin both of the microphone capsule contacts. This will improve your soldering quality. Then carefully strip the cable's outer jacket and separate the wires. In total, you need to get 2 wires out, but be 100% sure that you twist the same color wires together at both ends of the cable. Otherwise the mic won't work once it's made. A second option is to cut away all the extra colors and just leave 2 of them. In the end, you just need a cable with 2 wires at each end. Next, cut some heat shrink tubing. I use red for the right channel. These mic capsules are marked to show which contact is the positive one. Double checking always makes me feel more relaxed. Then, tin all the wires. Cut off the extra wire length and solder 1 wire to the positive terminal and the second to the ground, but remember which color you used for positive. Do this for each microphone you build. Heat up a hot glue gun and use it to protect the wires and avoid short circuits in the future. Slide a piece of heat shrink tubing over the glue and then put a second, larger piece of heat shrink tubing over the mic capsule itself. Do this for both mics to get this nice result. Next, slide the plug housings onto the cables, because you won't be able to do this after soldering. Then cut some longer pieces of heat shrink tubing, stretch them out a bit, and slide them onto the cables. Shrink them down and then cut 1 more piece of heat shrink tubing and put it on the cable. Tin the plug contacts. Cut the extra length from the ground wire and solder it to the correct plug contact. Crimp the cable in place with the plug's clamp. This creates a strong hold. The next task is to solder the positive wire to both plug contacts, then slide the heat shrink tubing over the cable. Use super glue to secure everything inside the plug and assemble the plug. Screw it tightly so it doesn't come loose. Then follow the same steps for the second mic. The main goal here is not to mix up the wire colors and to avoid making a short circuit when soldering the wires. And here is the result. 2 custom built low noise microphones using Primo EM258 capsules. The last task is to test them. As you can see, they work and I'm happy with the result. I hope this was useful. As always, I would be grateful if you liked this video. Good luck with your build.